Hey guys, this is Tyler from Digital Creator Timmins, and today we're going to be talking about three-point lighting. Three-point lighting is one of those can't-fail techniques to lighting a subject. It's used all the time in studio photography and filmmaking, and we're going to try it out today. So to get started with three-point lighting, all you need are three lights, and we're going to be using our three Digital Creator LED Go's. You need a camera, of course, and you're going to need a subject. The key light is going to be the first light that we place and is traditionally going to be the brightest, most powerful source of light, and usually is going to go on the front, left, or right side of our subject. Now, because the key light can be so powerful, it'll cast really strong shadows. So to support those shadows on the opposite side of the subject, we're going to introduce the fill light. So far the flower is already looking so much better than before. We have the key light giving it its power and initial light. We have the fill light supporting that key light. But what we need to do now is to separate our subject from the background. And to do that, we're going to use a backlight to give it a definition. So watch the stem, and you'll see a little gold halo on the stem, and that is the backlight at work. Three-point lighting is super easy because you know that your backlight is going to go in the back. So the only question you have to ask yourself when lighting a subject, whether it's flowers, whether it's a person in your dramatic or comedic scenes, is which side do I want my key light in the front and which side do I want my fill in the front? So there we go. Just to recap, we have a key light, which is our most powerful light. We have a fill light, which is supporting our key light, and we have a backlight, which is defining our subject. And there you go. That was three-point lighting in under 3 minutes.